Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to connect two players on Nintendo Switch Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have two controllers available. Each player must have a controller assigned before you can play split screen. Go back to the Nintendo Switch home menu and select Controllers from the bottom navigation bar. Here, access the Change Grip Order option and then connect any additional controllers wirelessly. Once they're connected, assign one controller to player 1 and the other to player 2. Next, launch Minecraft and open any single-player world. Split screen only works when starting from a single-player game. After the world loads, pick up the second controller and press the plus button once. You'll see a prompt asking the second player to join. Press the plus button again to confirm, then select or sign in to a Nintendo user account for player 2 if prompted. Once confirmed, split screen mode will start automatically, and both players can play together on the same Nintendo Switch. So that's basically how you can connect two players on Nintendo Switch Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks!